Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make idli powder or chutney powder, and it goes very well with the South Indian breakfast idli or dosa. And I've added the ingredients in the description box, and let's get started. I've taken a pan, and the first step is we are going to dry roast all the ingredients, and this is Bengal gram. Keep frying it till the color starts to change. Now the color has changed. I'm going to transfer it and set it aside to cool it down. Next we are going to fry urad dal on a medium flame. Now the color has started to change. Let's keep it aside. Now we are going to fry the sesame seeds. Now the color has started to change. Let's keep it aside. Next we are going to dry roast. I've taken Kashmiri red chili. You can use any chili of your choice. Add curry leaves to it and dry roast that one too. To this let's add peppercorns and cumin seeds. After a minute of sauteing, now let's turn it off. Now I've finished dry roasting all the ingredients, and make sure when you're dry roasting there's no water content. And to this I'm going to add asafoetida and jaggery when grinding it. Now all the ingredients are cooled down. Let's blend it. Add a piece of jaggery, little bit of asafoetida, and salt to taste. Now let's coarse grind this mixture. Now I've finished grinding the chutney powder. Let's transfer it to a plate. It smells amazing in here. Now let's try the recipe. And the best way to eat the chutney powder is put it like this. Make a hole in the center. This is the traditional way to eat it. And to this we are going to add sesame oil. And give everything a mix with your hands. After mixing everything, now let's try it with steamed idli or steamed rice cake. We're gonna take it up like this. It's so good and delicious. The spiciness, a little bit of sweetness, and the mix of everything, it's beautiful. And you can keep it inside the fridge for more than 2 to 3 months. It won't get spoiled. So if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.